Okay, so
oh no, don't. You have to edit this.
It's
Okay.
just a test, just another test.
Okay, testing.
Okay, so I haven't been feeling like making any videos lately. Since Saturday, I haven't done any videos, and I even had a couple of times I get this idea. Oh, maybe I should make it. Maybe blah blah blah, and then I'm like, no. I feel like almost like rebellious against making videos. So then, when I was telling that to Lisa here, then Lisa said,
I just reminded her that it's okay to do nothing sometimes, and
right now,
I need to put it on because I can't see properly. But it's going to be a glare. But right now is a good time to just do nothing and let yourself, have that time of doing nothing.
So it's because
apparently
eclipse.
The energies right now in between the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse is a void.
Mm-hmm.
A void time where it's more about introspection, slowing down, doing nothing.
Yep.
Just be with that void and listening, feeling. Yeah, just minimalizing distractions.
And it's so interesting. I feel like I have been wanting to heal myself and be with myself.
Nice,
and that's the one. That's the time.
That's perfect. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, apparently.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's
so
awesome.
Just in general in life, I think we need to have those periods. So
yes, we do.
We're being influenced. It's a planetary influence.
Yes, and I'm so glad. I have never considered or even felt myself aligned with it. So I feel like, yay!
It's fun to...
One time I'm aligned.
Yeah, no, come on. Yeah, but, that's... It's
usually I just have my whatever going on. Like, it's not because... Like, on full moon, I sleep like a baby, Like, some people are like, I can't sleep,
Yeah, it's interesting. And it's fun to find out after the fact, And it just affirms... Like, oh, okay, this is okay. It's not just me being lazy or...
Exactly.
Actually, no, this is like a real influence that we get from planetary movements and whatever energies they bring. It's really fascinating.
Yes.
And each planet is associated with an organ in our body. Did you know that?
Yes.
I don't remember which is which, but... That's interesting to look about.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look into that in Jyutsu energy work.
Shin. That's where you're going to go there?
It's a form of energy work. Japanese.
Where do they have that workshop here, or what? How do you?
I could show you some. I could create a workshop.
There you go.
I could teach people how to do self-care, Jinshin Jyutsu. It's Japanese ancient energy work that involves connecting with certain points on the body. So there's 26 source points, and they're all connects with our insides, the organs, to harmonize and just keep healthy. And so it's like an acupressure, but you're not putting the pressure on, you're actually just holding the points. So there's a lot of self-care ones that we can do easily.
Can you show one?
So, for instance, for insomnia, because that seems to be common, there's points at the back of our head. So it's GB, oh God, help me out here. What is it? GB.
Oh,
36?
Scott knows. Wait, look.
Is it?
GB 23?
Maybe it's GB 23.
So show us now.
The points that are at the back there.
Wait,
in the
I'll use the camera. I'll move the camera.
so bad at filming.
Wait, okay. Put your fingers on it so we can see.
So you put 3 fingers. See the little crest?
Yes.
You can't post this. This is
That's amazing.
You're probably going to edit.
I don't know if I will. Let's see.
So hold those. You can do this, right? You're on your pillow at night and you're just lying there, and you just hold the points, and that helps calm. It just calms the energy enough that helps you sleep. Then there's some other ones on your shoulders, and there's just various points throughout the body that you can easily access and just make contact with, and then it's an art of listening. So Jinshin Jyutsu is the art of harmony. It's all about balancing and harmonizing the body's energy pathways.
Right,
you
meridians?
Keep that all, and it's a separate system to the meridians, which is really interesting. Yeah, it's almost like, think of an electrical circuitry.
Right.
It's another system. Yeah, it's fascinating, and it's an art that resurfaced pretty recently. So, it was buried for a while and forgotten about.
So how can you teach it? You could teach it through video, no?
Possibly, if I can get over my
yes
my video phobia.
It doesn't matter.